In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate and use the on-screen keyboard in Windows 10. Whether you're facing issues with your physical keyboard or you simply prefer the touch option for accessibility reasons, the on-screen keyboard can be quite handy. We're going to walk through a few simple steps, and by the end of this video you'll have a virtual keyboard ready to use right on your desktop. To kick things off, you'll want to press the Windows key on your keyboard. This is that small key nestled between the Control and Alt keys, marked with the Windows logo. Pressing it will bring up the Start menu, providing access to a treasure trove of features and settings. Now once your Start menu is open, you need to type in keyboard directly into the search box. As you type, you'll notice that Windows begins to search and display related options. This search function is a very effective way to locate features when you're unsure where exactly to find them in the menu. With your search results up, look for the option that says on-screen keyboard. It's typically listed as a desktop app, so make sure you choose the correct one. Clicking on this will launch the virtual keyboard. At this point, you should see the on-screen keyboard pop up right away. It's a standalone application that resembles a physical keyboard but is displayed on your screen. You can interact with it using your mouse, trackpad, or if you're on a touch-enabled device, your fingers. It's worth noting that every key you typically find on a standard keyboard is available on this digital one. This virtual tool is incredibly useful not only for those with physical impairments, but also when your keyboard malfunctions or if you just want to input text without moving your hands off the screen. It's a versatile feature that can enhance your user experience by providing an alternative method of typing. If you decide to keep the on-screen keyboard handy, you might consider pinning it to your taskbar or creating a shortcut on your desktop. Just right-click the icon when it's open and you'll find these options at your disposal. And there you have it, your virtual keyboard is ready for duty whenever you need it. This feature of Windows 10 is just one of many examples of how technology can make everyday tasks a little more convenient and accessible. Whether for convenience or necessity, knowing how to bring up the on-screen keyboard could save you time and effort. That's all for today's tutorial. I hope you found these instructions clear and easy to follow. If this video was helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and how-tos. Thanks for watching.